In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen PowerPoint and video on Zoom. Whether you need to present slides, play a clip, or switch smoothly between both, I'll walk you through the exact settings and choices so your audience sees and hears everything clearly. First, get set up before the meeting. Open your PowerPoint presentation so it's ready to go. Open your video file or have it easily accessible in a folder on your desktop or queued in your browser. Then launch Zoom and either join or start your meeting. Having everything open ahead of time saves clicks and prevents that awkward scramble once you're live. When you're ready, click the green Share Screen button in Zoom. A panel will appear showing the windows and screens you can share. Take a second to locate exactly what you want to present so you choose the right item the first time. Before you share, this is very important. Enable the two checkboxes for Share Sound and Optimize for Video Clip. Share Sound sends your computer's audio to participants, and Optimize for Video Clip smooths motion and improves frame rate for videos. Forgetting these is the most common reason viewers can't hear or the video looks choppy. Now choose what to share. If you only want to show PowerPoint, select the PowerPoint window, click Share, and start your slideshow with F5. If you only need to show the video, select the media player or browser window, click Share, and press play. If you want to share both, the best method is either to share your entire screen or to place the video directly into PowerPoint. For the entire screen approach, select your desktop, click Share, open PowerPoint, and start the slideshow, then switch to your video when needed. This gives you maximum flexibility across apps. Just consider turning off notifications so nothing pops up. For the professional, all-in-one approach, insert the video into your deck. In PowerPoint, go to Insert, then Video, add your clip to a slide, start the slideshow, and play the video inside your presentation. This delivers the smoothest viewer experience. While presenting, use the arrow keys to move through slides. Press S key to exit the slideshow. Use Alt plus Tab on Windows or Command plus Tab on Mac to switch between apps quickly. Adjust your system volume so your audience hears the video at a comfortable level. When you're finished, click Stop Share at the top of the screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.